In this video I am going to connect my I2C LCD with Arduino Nano. So here I have this LCD connected with Arduino Nano, as you can see. Okay, so at the back of this LCD I have got this I2C module. Okay, so here it is. Here is the module. Okay, so the main advantage of using I2C is that you only have to deal with 4 pins for connection purpose, and this uses serial communication. So you could connect multiple devices on this same 4 pins. True are for power and 2 are for communication. Okay, so now I have connected it with my PC. Now I'll be uploading code. So I have already got code. This one is for serial communication, to find the address for serial communication of I2C module. Okay, before you progress, you need to set your Arduino IDE according to the following images shown. Okay, so what you could do is you could pause video and see this image. Okay, so copy and paste. I've pasted the code in here to find the address of my I2C. Okay, so now I'll be uploading it. I'll be uploading this sketch. Okay, so the uploading is done now. Now I'm going to open serial monitor and see the address. Okay, so the address of my I2C LCD is 0x27. Okay, so 0x27 is the address. More importantly, you could use this code when you are connecting multiple I2C devices. Now I'm going to copy the code for my I2C LCD and pasted it on Arduino IDE. Okay, here you could see that I've used that address in defining my LCD. Here you could see that 0x27 is the address that I've used over here. Now I'll be uploading this sketch in my Arduino. Okay, so the sketch has been uploaded, it is done, and now the time for results. So here is the result. So we have successfully connected our I2C LCD with Arduino and have uploaded the codes. Okay, so both the code that I have used in this video, you could find them in description of this video. Link is given. On link you can find both of these codes.